Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of badminton with the YONEX Astrox Lite series Graphite Badminton Racket, specifically the Astrox 01 in stunning blue. And let me tell you, folks, this isn't just any badminton racket. It's the best of the best from YONEX, the leading brand in badminton equipment. Strap in, because we're about to explore why this racket stands out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk about construction. This racket is crafted from premium graphite material, ensuring both durability and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Astrox Lite series is designed to meet the needs of players at every skill level. Now, let's talk performance. The Astrox 01 features a high flex frame and shaft, providing players with the perfect balance of power and control. Whether you're executing lightning-fast smashes or delicate drop shots, this racket delivers exceptional responsiveness with every swing. But don't just take my word for it. Customers around the globe have been raving about the Astrox 01. From its lightweight design to its impressive balance, this racket has earned praise from players of all backgrounds. Just listen to what they have to say. But the benefits don't stop there. With a grip size of 4.5 inches and a weight of just 77 grams, the Astrox 01 offers comfort and control like no other. Plus, with a recommended string tension of 20-27.5 pounds, you can customize your playing experience to suit your style. Whether you're dominating the court with powerful smashes or showcasing your finesse with precise net shots, the YONEX Astrox Lite series Graphite Badminton Racket is your ultimate companion for success on the badminton court. That's all for today's review. If you're ready to take your game to the next level, be sure to check out the YONEX Astrox Lite series Graphite Badminton Racket. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and analysis. Until next time, happy playing!